Welcome to this special YouTube video where we delve into the profound and uplifting topic of God's blessings. God is saying you today, walk away from people who put you down. Walk away from fights that will never be resolved. Walk away from trying to please people who will never see your worth. The more you walk away from things that poison your soul, the healthier you will be. If you have faith in God, please like and share this video. In the next 12 hours, great happiness will enter your life, bringing with His love, wealth, and health and abundance. If you watch this video till end. If you want to attract huge money, effortlessly starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. God is saying to you today, I've watched you, I've watched everything you've been through. I've watched you fall. I've watched you get hurt. I've watched you fight to get back up. I've watched you learn. And I've watched how hard you have worked on becoming the best version of you. And I see your heart today, and it's beautiful, it's pure. And it's ready to be loved the same way that I love you, so get ready, because what's coming next will be everything that you've been praying for. Type 1111 if you are ready. You'll wait. You'll pray. You'll get frustrated. You'll question everything. But you'll continue to be patient. You'll keep waiting. And you'll keep praying. In one day when you least expect it, it'll finally happen. So don't ever stop believing. Don't ever stop trusting. And don't ever stop hoping. God is so ready to give you everything you've ever dreamed of, but you have to understand it's honest timing, not yours. Type 1212 to claim it. Avoid people who mess with your head. People who say things to upset you, people who want you to make them people who don't apologize. You don't need these kind of people, avoid them. Subscribe our channel if you love God. People talk behind your back for three main reasons. 1, when they can't reach your level. 2, when they don't have what you have. 3, when they try to copy you but can't. 10. If you're in bed right now feeling discouraged, tired, and unsure if things will ever get better, God is saying to you tonight, rest. I am already at work. Your life bless you and your family and heal every place you are hurting. Type 1010 to receive it. 1111. God is saying to you today, I know you have a lot on your mind right now. Your family, your health, the health of a loved one, your finances, your career. It feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. You feel alone. My child, you are never alone. Lay all your concerns before me through prayer. I will provide. I will make a way for you. All the resources of heaven are behind you. Don't worry, I have your back. Type yes if you needed this. Never forget 3 types of people in your life. 1 who helped you in difficult times. 2 who left you in difficult times. 3 who put you in difficult times. No matter how hard the wind is blowing, or how turbulent the waters are rushing about you, I am with you, holding you tighter than you can imagine, and I will never let you go. Please do not let go of me. You cannot see the end from this, and you can only press forward each day and hold on to my promise that I will never leave you nor forsake you even in this dark hour. Type 333 if you believe this. 1212. God heard your prayers. He can feel your pain. He knows that you are overwhelmed, exhausted, and worried about how everything is going to work out. God is saying to you tonight, trust me. I will get you through the season. I will fix what is broke. Rest in me. God will restore everything that was stolen. You will recover. You will bounce back. Better days are coming. Blessings are coming your way. God is up to something incredible. If you're reading this with tears in your eyes, know that God is speaking directly to your wounded soul through this message. He wants you to know that He is making a way for you right now. He is healing that sickness. He is going to heal your strained relationships. Stay in faith because your breakthrough is coming. Type 333 to claim it. Be grateful for the opportunities, blessings, healing, and progress you have experienced. Be inspired your growth in your continued focus on what you want to welcome. Be thankful for the transforming mindset that helped you pursue your desired life. As you prepare for more, pray that paths continue to clear, doors swing wide open, in your miracles manifest in abundance. Trust you will thrive. Type yes if you needed this. God will put you in a position where you don't have to beg, borrow, or struggle. Amen. Type 222 to affirm and share this video with 5 people who trust God. Comment Jesus is Lord foreign. Thank you so much for joining us today on this incredible journey of faith and gratitude. We hope this video has inspired you and reminded you of the countless blessings that surround us every day. We encourage you to continue seeking His blessings, finding joy in the little things, and sharing kindness with those around you. Together, we can make this world a better place. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated with our future content.